2019 Acura MDX has been detailed in full as it arrives on dealer lots this week. All versions of the 2019 MDX will come with standard AcuraWatch active safety tech, which includes systems such as collision mitigation braking, forward collision warning, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control with low speed follow and road departure mitigation with lane departure warning. Under the hood of all 2019 MDXs is Acura's 3.5-litre V6, which makes 290 horsepower and 287 pounds-to-foot of torque. It's joined by a more refined version of the 9-speed automatic transmission, which sends power to the front wheels in standard configuration. Acura's super handling all-wheel drive system is available for a $2,000 premium and is capable of sending 70% of engine torque to the rear wheels and 100% to either the left or right side wheels. Front-wheel drive models are rated at 23 mpg combined, while all-wheel drive models get slightly worse fuel economy at 22 mpg combined. Acura has also added new interior options to the MDX for 2019, including available desert olive ash, contrasting seat and door panel stitching and contrasting front seat side trim. The front driver and passenger seats now come with standard 4-way power lumbar adjustment, while models equipped with the technology and entertainment packages get a revised second row for easy access to the third row seats. Models with the advanced package also get wood center console trim. Also new for 2019 is the range-topping MDX A-Spec model, which gets standard super handling all-wheel drive, an aggressive front fascia, body color exterior trim, 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels, larger diameter exhaust tips, a gloss black grille and window surrounds and a rear tailgate spoiler. Inside, I-Spec models are set apart by the red or black leather sport seats with Alcantara inserts, contrasting stitching, I-Spec gauges, sport pedals, an A-Spec badged steering wheel with paddle shifters and A-Spec scuff panels. The 2019 MDX is available in 9 exterior colors. New additions to palette include gunmetal metallic, majestic black pearl, performance red pearl, canyon bronze metallic and the A-Spec exclusive apex blue pearl.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.